Alrighty, Jeff, here's your 427. I'll give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock Performer manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. The front end on it for you, make sure the alternator charges. It's got a front sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run on it and see what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 514 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 538, really good torque there, good and flat. That's the Performer manifold there. And peaks horsepower 526. So got a front end that's about 15, so it runs good still up there. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean, and I'm going to show you something else. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, it'll be this thing. Looks like a credit card, business card. It's a USB card, ton of information, and it's got all your engine build specs, engine pictures, dyno video, tech tips. So highly recommend, first thing you do, plug it in, read it or watch it, and if any questions, just holler at us. And the other thing on the engine will be this tag. Basically have the engine number on it, valve lash, oil capacity, whether it's internal, external balance, firing order, and your timing specifications. So make sure to hold on to that tag forever.